All right, I did a video about the coronavirus, about coronavirus and the gym and some of the precautions that they were taking. And this morning when I walked in, I also learned that they had cut out, I guess it was silver sneakers. They have Gerofit and silver sneakers. Maybe they cut Gerofit. Anyway, they cut one of the programs temporarily that they're working on that they have available for the seniors. So, you know, the ironic thing is here you have seniors coming to the gym so that they can stay healthy, but now they need to like not come to the gym so that they can stay healthy. Yeah, we need to protect our seniors. So I got to court this morning. It was way foggy. I got to court this morning and the judge walks in. I know her, a great person. And I guess I hadn't thought about, you know, our court system a whole lot. I mean, I knew there were some things going on in some of the other courts, but the first thing she said was, I'm going to get you in and out of here. If you have a continuance that you have a basis for needing, I'm going to go ahead and give anybody who needs a continuance, and we're going to wrap this up as quickly as we can because, yeah, that's probably the best thing to do under the circumstances. So people are really taking this very seriously. Glad to know that they are. I don't know if I've ever shared this, but I actually have a science background. So now I practice law. So for those of you who are new to my channel, yes, my channel is mostly about fitness, lifestyle, politics, law, stuff I do if you're interested in that kind of stuff. So I'm recording this with my phone and stuff's like popping up. It's like breaking news. And so I'm stopping to check out the breaking news. But in any case, my background actually was in science. So I have a BS in biological sciences with a specialization in microbiology and a minor in genetics. So for a number of years, I worked in a laboratory setting. So I actually performed like medical testing on some things, so some particular bacteria and some viruses, and then I moved to an environmental lab. So yes, one of our labs here that's doing some of that work, I actually used to work at that lab. So that was a really long time ago though. But yeah, so I do have a science background. I have a keen awareness of the need to wash my hands because I know about all of those little bugs that you can get. Some of them are good and they help keep us healthy. But yeah, so there's a lot going on. And just, you know, hope everybody's staying safe, taking the precautions that they need to take, and just as we're out day to day. And so, yes, this is ACC territory. It's March Madness. They're making changes. Like if you aren't paying attention, literally you could show back up and one decision that had been made yesterday is a totally different decision today. So I'm in North Carolina. They are continuing to see an increase in reported cases here in North Carolina. At the gym, and I think I said this in my last video, they sent out an updated email about the precautions that they were taking. They were moving to wiping everything down twice a day. And like I said earlier, they have canceled one of the senior programs temporarily just to make sure everybody's okay. So people are being very vigilant at the gym because you're talking about, you know, people in close proximity and like, yeah. But enough of that, I think, maybe. So yeah, so that's sort of it, just sort of checking in on even, you know, every little thing that we do is being impacted from schools. So my daughter's school has not closed yet, and I know that they are keeping an eye on things also because they keep sending email updates too, and they've got a special web page set up, so everybody's really staying on top of things. And the thing about it is it's so close to the end of the school year, and so it's sort of like if they can just make it a few more weeks, then the kids will, you know, be that much further along in terms of their classroom studies. The kids, you know, they aren't being impacted by this as much in terms of getting sick and really seeing the sort of negative impact that our seniors are seeing. So where you're not seeing students really come down with this and it's spreading among the schools. Some of those school systems have not yet canceled classes. So they have at the UNC system. And I went to both NC State and Carolina. And yeah, those schools are shut down. Duke's shut down. Yeah, it's all online from here. But yeah, so hope everybody's staying safe. Wash those hands.